Installation tutorial for electric tailgate. The first step is to pry the snap ring with a screwdriver. Remove the original struts on both sides, then remove the original body brackets on both sides. Install our body bracket. Install it with the arrow facing up. Note the distinction between left and right. Install the left and right electric struts. Install the rod with the wire end down. The second step is to remove the tailgate trim panel. Unscrew the screws in order, and then remove the trim panel. The third step is to install our electric suction lock. Remove the original lock, then put the original lock shell on our lock body. Then fix the electric suction lock. Plug the original lock plug into our door lock plug. The black 6-pin plug is plugged into the electromagnet lock. The yellow rope is an emergency device for the lock. Connect my company's green outer handle wire to the yellow wire in this position. The fourth step is to remove the waterproof rubber plug, and follow the video to pass the left and right rods. Fifth, route the main harness. Pass the main harness through this position, and then pass the main harness through from this position. Remove the screw buckle. Break open the ceiling trim, negative wire. Pass through the negative ground position from this position. Demonstrate grounding here. Then remove the rubber strips of the front and rear doors. The positive power cable passes through from this position. Then pass the harness from the rear door to the front driver's seat. Hide and restore the rubber strips of the front and rear door wires. Restore the ceiling panel. The sixth step is to get power. First, remove these two panels. Find the long power supply in this position. Pull out the original 20A fuse, and plug it into the power adapter. Then insert the power adapter into the fuse box. Note that the line is facing left. Pass the main harness through, and connect the can line like this. Clip it next to the driver's pedal. Find the white plug. Find these two wires at the white plug. Connect the yellow and red wires of our company to the purple wire. Connect the white and red can to the blue line. Put the wire board back in place and restore it. Fix this screw again. Then place the power adapter like this. Connect the power adapter. The seventh step is to install the front button, and punch a hole here. Install our front button, the original iron sheet of the cab. Connect the ground wire of our central control button. Then organize the wiring harness. Restore the test board. 8th, organize the left and right wires. The ninth step is to insert the wires into the ECU control box. Fix the control box here. Tidy up the wiring harness. Drill a hole in this position. Install the button of our tailgate, after connecting the button harness, and restore the test board. Finally, restore the trim panel as shown in the video. In this way, our electric tailgate is installed.